Welcome back to Ancient Wisdom, Modern Mind, where we explore how ancient wisdom teachings can be understood and applied to modern day life. My name's Tom, and today we'll be exploring ancient wisdom from Laozi's Tao Te Ching to discover how these timeless teachings can help us lead a more balanced and harmonious life. If you find this video useful, it would mean the world to me as a new YouTuber if you'd throw me a like, subscribe or even a share. So, let's begin with one of the core concepts of Taoism: effortless action. Effortless action is often misunderstood as doing nothing, but it's far from that. It's about aligning ourselves with the natural flow of life, allowing actions to arise spontaneously without force or struggle. Imagine the effortless way a river flows. It doesn't push against obstacles, but it moves around them, finding the easiest path forwards. Taoism encourages students to be more like water, flowing freely, being flexible to obstacles without resistance, but still having the power to erode through stone and rock with focus and time. When we practice effortless action, we reduce stress and increase productivity because we're not wasting energy fighting against the natural order. Instead, we're working with it. Think of moments when you're in the zone. Everything feels effortless, yet you achieve so much. Sometimes this is called flow. In our daily lives, we can apply effortless action by recognizing when to act and when to step back. For instance, in a work environment, forcing a solution often leads to frustration and conflict. But taking a step back, allowing some time for clarity, often brings the right answers effortlessly. Next, let's dive into the principle of yin and yang. This symbol represents the duality and interconnectedness of all things in the universe. Yin is often associated with qualities like darkness, passivity, and femininity, while yang is often representative of light, activity and masculinity. Achieving balance between yin and yang means recognizing the need for both in various aspects of life. For example, consider work and rest. Constant work without rest leads to burnout, whilst too much rest without productive activity can lead to stagnation. Balance is the key. To integrate yin and yang into your life, start by assessing areas where you might be out of balance. Are you overworking and neglecting self-care? Or are you perhaps too passive and avoiding necessary action? Finding harmony involves making small adjustments to bring these elements into equilibrium. Taoism also teaches us the importance of nature and simplicity. Laozi both emphasized living in harmony with nature and adopting a simple lifestyle. In our fast-paced modern world, this advice is more relevant than ever. Connecting with nature can significantly enhance our well-being. Spending time outdoors, breathe the fresh air, and observe the natural beauty around you. These moments of connection can bring profound peace and clarity that we can then bring to our challenges in our life. Simplifying life involves decluttering both our physical space and our mind. Let go of unnecessary possessions and focus on what truly matters. Simplify your schedule by prioritizing activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Basically, let go of things that no longer serve you. Now, let's look at some practical examples of how Taoist principles can be applied in modern day settings to achieve harmony and balance. Imagine you're an entrepreneur feeling overwhelmed by your workload. By applying effortless action, you can delegate tasks and allow your team more autonomy. This not only reduces your stress, but increases your company's productivity. At home, achieving yin-yang balance could mean setting aside dedicated time for both work and family, ensuring that neither is neglected. This balance can lead to a more harmonious household where everyone feels valued and supported. In a community project, embracing the principles of nature and simplicity might involve starting a community garden. This brings people together, fosters a sense of community, and reconnects everybody with nature. These examples show that Taoist teachings are not just an ancient philosophy, but practical tools we can use today to create a more balanced and harmonious life. Remember, The Tao of Balance is about finding harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. By practicing effortless action, embracing yin-yang balance, and connecting with nature and simplicity, we can lead more fulfilling and stress-free lives. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share or subscribe for more content on how we can apply ancient wisdom to lead happier, more fulfilling lives.